I'm Richard Rogers, I'm the CEO here at INS. I think the most common misconception about industrial networking would be that it's all heavy-duty, hard hats, steel-toed boots, nasty environments. That's a big part of it, but what we like to think about, these are critical networks for businesses. It may be a less industrial environment, but it operates and manufactures products, or it runs people's businesses, and it is the key to their revenue. The culture here, and what I feel is important, is teamwork. The culture is also very entrepreneurial. Like, we hope that everyone that works here sees an opportunity to grow, to have an opportunity to better themselves and their family, and also have an environment where they feel like they're part of a team and that they have the support of a team. I think what makes us unique in the market is that we really are focusing on the network, the connectivity, the communication across all aspects of our business, from kind of the enterprise wireless part to the more industrial, think of refineries and pipelines. Most of the other companies or resources out there do a lot of other things, and networking typically isn't their focus, which means they probably don't know everything about it. Not that we know everything, but I feel like we're positioned, because of our focus on the communications and the network, that we can provide very unique and very specific help for these businesses. Yeah, in the next 5 years, industrial IoT is going to expand drastically. As it relates to our business, the big growth drivers are going to be around this need for data. More and more analytics are going into every type of business, no matter what it is. To get data for that analytics, you got to have connectivity. You've got to connect a bunch of sensors. You've got to connect data sources, and then make sense of that by aggregating it. Most people are smart business people. They're not going to just invest in technology for technology's sake. There's got to be an outcome to them. Where we see challenges, people kind of rush into it, or maybe, I don't want to say cut corners, but don't understand the importance of truly assessing of where you're at, where you want to be. We've been doing this for a while, and I think that's one of the biggest things that gets overlooked. It many times feels like extra for the customer, but that money spent and those resources spent early on usually pay off in a faster return on their investment, and also a better one. And so we feel like our role is an advisor, an advocate, a connector for other partners to help create a solution. That's the best outcomes that we see, is a true partnership. And but when we can get to that place, if customers can truly view us as a partner, we think everybody wins.